Good for...
When I was 13 years old, my dad put a chainsaw in my hands. I'm currently working on a 20-acre property here in Redmond, Oregon, and I thought, you know, this is a perfect opportunity to share the knowledge that I have about chainsaws and tree felling and rigging, so people don't hurt themselves. But one thing that happens is, year after year, it's just more layers on top of more layers on top of more layers is how that tree grows. And it all grows as a cone. It's not perfectly straight. So as we're going to go cut, we got to understand what all those fibers are running through the entire tree and how we're going to use that to stay safe. One of the biggest things as we're working on felling a tree is we need to figure out which way it's going to go. You guys want to try some climbing? So we're going to start by getting these guys out of our way. I might move this anchor up to about here, and I still got two locking me in. We come into that tree and then push the chainsaw right into it. We'll do a little demonstration out there so you can see it. Yeah. Just take our cut right through there. Any questions?